Hey guys, it's Jim.
It's Timothy.
Today we'll be trying to make the Omurice Omelette, and without the rice, it is considered to be one of the more difficult omelets to make. Origins in Japan. We'll see how it goes, and if it's your first time watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
It's your first video.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys shortly. Alright, this is take 2, because the first time I forgot to start recording audio. So what you need is your Japanese style bowls.
That's
Mine is Moroccan, thank you. Without your Japanese style bowls, it will not work. And an important ingredient is your handsome eggs. Really good, actually. You should have some.
Have you had them before?
I will. Never have. Try it. Alright. False advertisement. So what you need is chopsticks to stir them, and they say 3 eggs per person to make this, right? Some actually use milk and some use creamer. We're gonna use both of them today, but milk first and then creamer after we stir them. So what you want to do is get your eggs, right? Crack them. Just a second. Guys, don't forget to make a mess so your wife can clean them later. There you go. Yeah, just like that. And then they say a pinch of salt, but just listen to your heart. Don't give too much. Chopsticks. Stir them up, just like that. Oh, crap. Forgot the milk. You need a tablespoon of milk. Like this. There you go. Make a mess. Stir it up. Until it's nice and golden like this, right? Just like that. And then we're gonna strain them, but I'm gonna have to get back on that because my strainer is in the dishwasher because my wife put it in there.
I didn't. You did.
She definitely threw it.
No.
I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, we're back and we got our strainer nice and steamy. So what you want to do is get that Japanese bowl again, another one, right?
The Moroccan one.
Japanese one. And then you're gonna take your out, make a mess,
That
and
you'll
just
be cleaning.
that your wife will be cleaning.
No.
Just pour it in there, right? You want that to soak really nicely, strain really nicely. And I saw a trick, right? It was like if you go like this to the bottom, it actually does it faster, makes more of a mess. Just like that. There you go. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually going to get our heavy cream. And then we'll be putting in 1 tablespoon again. But this time, instead of stirring aggressively, we're going to do it really slow because apparently if you do it too fast, it will turn into more like a whipping cream, kind of. So very slowly, just like this. Cool. And we'll set it aside. On high heat, we're gonna put our pan down, right? Have it nice and sizzling. some oil on there. We go all the way around until it covers everywhere, right? Just like that. Make more of a mess. Gotta heat it up more and more. And then we're going to pour it in there. And then using our chopsticks, and stir inside like we're stirring soup. And then just wash the rest. Okay. Like that.
Like what? Narrate it.
Just like that. Start flipping, just like that. Whoa, look at that. Couldn't get it right. There you go. That football shape. That's a beautiful football shape. Just like that. Moroccan plates. We're not even Moroccan, bro. And there you go. A failure of an omelet. We're gonna cut it. Turn off the stove. You know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Let's focus with it. Yeah, it's not. I just needed to use hotter pan, probably, and a bit more eggs, and it would came out nice. There you go. Alright, so you have everything, right? This is how I'm going to be talking, by the way. I'm going to be talking super casual. You got your handsome eggs, right? Your handsome eggs. Handsome.
You're like 20 times like a sociopath.
Maybe I will
Handsome?
record it.
Handsome?
And then you will crack your eggs negative, because you won't be doing that. What you will be doing is actually cracking them in a bowl. Cute Japanese style bowl. Has to be Japanese or this will not work. And then you will get your chopsticks. This is weird. Like I'm like here, but like I have to go here. Like positioning is really off. And then filang, you take care of everything. What you want to do is put that sucker in there and then aggressively stir and shit. And you want to make sure you get the edges right. Continue stirring. This is difficult, my friends. You want to start flipping the edges like this so you can get that nice football shape. Let me tell you, you're gonna fail first 15,000 times, but you'll get it eventually. And what you want to do is flip.